Good afternoon, everyone. We're going to get started. Thank you all for joining us at our second annual College Healthcare Opportunity Showcase. I am April Harrington, and I'm the project manager of the Chicagoland Healthcare Workforce Collaborative. This event is brought to you by the Youth Pathways Committee of the Collaborative, which is a team of professionals across Chicago's healthcare system who are all dedicated to building the pipeline of healthcare talent and to expose young adults like yourself to the myriad career opportunities within healthcare. Today's event is designed for students who have completed high school and are in a post-secondary program or thinking about starting a post-secondary program, but it will also be of interest to anyone. So don't worry if that doesn't apply to you, if you're a high school student or you're just here to learn more about healthcare, there will be things that are of interest to you. First, let's take a moment to see who is here. Please go to the poll and let us know what careers you're interested in pursuing. I see we have some nurses so far. That's very popular, and some more doctors. We just want to know what brought you here today. And this is our agenda. Our welcome session is only 15 minutes, so it'll be brief. At 4:15, you will navigate to the Job Spotlight breakout session of your choice. We have 5 different occupations highlighted today. Those are 45-minute sessions that will give you an overview of that position, general job description, and some job data. And then you'll hear an interview with someone who is actually in that role. So please choose the one that is of most interest to you and find that one on the agenda as soon as this session is over. But don't worry about missing the others. Everything will be recorded and will be available to you through this Whova app starting tomorrow. After that, we'll go to the overview of opportunity session that will bring us all together again. And you don't want to miss that because there will be a quick overview of the more than 10 opportunities we're highlighting here today. Those include internship programs, mentorship programs, volunteer programs, all types of different programs that are designed to help you reach your healthcare career goals. And then after that session, you can spend the rest of the event in the exhibitor hall. So we have 8 different exhibitor booths. Most of those are hosted by one of Chicago's major health or hospital systems. And they are promoting their various internship and volunteer and mentor programs there. Each of those has a recorded about 10-minute information session for you to learn more. And you can ask questions to the staff in the chat box and click the I'm interested button to sign up to learn more and to keep in touch with them. Remember, everything's recorded, so don't worry about missing anything. You can also connect with your peers and with the staff here in the community and attendee tabs. And finally, please help us continue to improve events like this by taking our survey. You should have a pop-up of the survey towards the end of the event. You'll also receive it via email. If you fill out that survey by noon tomorrow on Friday, November 11th, you will be entered into a raffle to win one of 3 $100 Amazon gift cards, which I will announce on Monday. So please fill out our survey. And then before we move on to the job opportunity, or excuse me, to the Job Spotlight series, I'd like to introduce you to a tool that CHWC and the Youth Pathways Committee has created. It's called our Youth Pathways Directory, and it's designed to help young adults like you, so folks who are in college, but also high school students and those who are not currently enrolled in an academic program, to help you find all the different programs that exist with Chicagoland hospital systems and community organizations to help you along your academic path. So these are programs that include, oh, I just realized I had a technical glitch with the ability to put this in the chat for you, but don't worry, I will send that to you in the email after today's event, and I will show it to you right now. But this directory includes 29 different programs. Some of them are for high school students, some of them are for college students. They are all related to healthcare. Some of them are during the summer, some of them are during the school year, some of them are even paid. And we are always trying to update and grow this directory. So it's a place where you can come again and again to see what's happening next semester or what's happening next summer. You can also take a look for things that you might not be eligible for yet, but you will be in a year or two. So right now I'm going to share the Youth Pathways Directory and walk you through it. So this is the Chicagoland Healthcare Workforce Collaborative's website. It's shyhealthworks.com if you'd like to try and navigate to that in a different tab right now. Right up here on the right hand of the screen, there's the Youth Pathways Directory button. So if I click on that, it brings you to our directory, and there are several different search functions. So you can search based on the type of career path that you're interested in, whether those are clinical roles or non-clinical roles. You can search based on location, whether you're in a certain area of Chicago or the suburbs. You can search based on your age group and what sort of program you're currently enrolled in, by whether the program is paid or unpaid, by the type of program, whether you're looking for an internship or something that's just career exploration, and finally the season, for something in the summer or the full academic year or fall or winter. Right now, I suggest just looking at the full list of programs. So right now we have 29. Many of these are here today, and you will learn more about those in the exhibitor booths, but there are others that we might be adding in the coming months. For example, I know Advocate Aurora would like to be here today, but they couldn't, but they are going to be announcing some internships in the next couple of weeks. So check back here if you're interested in one of those internships with Advocate Aurora in the next couple of weeks. As you see, all the Northwestern internships have their own page. We have some programs that aren't represented here today, like AHEC Scholars that you might want to check out, and so on and so forth. So when you go into one of these programs, and I'll do the University of Health Volunteer Services as an example, and this is a program that is open to anyone 16 years and older. So you'll see, you can go to the program's website, you can connect with them on social media, you can learn just generally about the program, when is it, where it's located. This is a volunteer program that can take an unlimited amount of volunteers and happens year round. What you need to be eligible for the program. So if you need to pass health assessment and background check, if you need to perhaps reach a certain GPA or be past a certain year in school, that would be listed here in the participant requirements. If there are specific program dates and application deadlines, they'd be listed there. Instructions on how to apply. And finally, of course, a real person that you can call or you can email to learn more. So this is the Chicagoland Healthcare Workforce Collaborative Youth Pathways Directory. Go to shyhealthworks.com to find that, and I will include the link in the email that I'll send out tomorrow to all of our registrants. And now we are going to end our welcome session just a couple minutes early so that you can navigate to the Job Spotlight series of your choice. So you're going to go back to the Agenda tab in Whova, go to Sessions, and then you should be able to view the 5 different Job Spotlight series that are available. Remember that they are all recorded, so you can come back and see all of them tomorrow. Go find your Job Spotlight series, and thank you for joining us.